Hi, I hope you're doing well, your family is keeping well, and you are engaged in doing your best work. I'm really excited to share a thought today. This is about a trait which is easy to understand, simple to follow, and inherent in our nature, yet we tend to override. I am referring to the power and influence of our greetings, manners, etiquettes, and being polite. And this is something I've personally experienced it. When I had recently shifted to the Middle East, I was based in Dubai and I had to go to Muscat for a business meeting. It is a post lunch meeting. I went there, rented a car at the airport, met some friends in the afternoon, had a really good sumptuous lunch comprising rice and kebabs, maybe not the best choice of food to be having before a post lunch meeting, but then nonetheless, I had it. After that, after having a full stomach, I went to drive to my destination, which was about 25 kilometers away. I was going downhill and I experienced slow moving traffic. Maybe some accident or something stopped it, or something must have broken down, but it was a slow moving traffic. I was in the second lane, not the speeding lane, and I seemed to have dozed off at the steering wheel. And I was just woken up out of my siesta through a noise, through a thud, and I had actually banged into the car which was just driving next to me in the left of me in the lane. And it wasn't just any simple car; it was a Lexus SUV Super Sport 570. And this is the first ever accident, a driving accident I've made in my life, and I was super nervous. And I was in a new country, and this guy, he was obviously wearing the local attire. He was a local guy, and he was waving to me to park on the hard shoulder to report this incident to the police, as the process is here. And I was super nervous. When I parked the car, he came out. First of all, he shook hands with me. He hugged me. In broken English, he asked about if I was hurt or not, how I was doing, how my family was doing, how the business was doing. And then very sheepishly, he said, "Look what you did to my car." This was very surreal to me. It was strange behavior. I've spent a large part of my life in Delhi. And if this happened in Delhi, the good chances are that it could turn into a fatal incident for me. But here, this guy was actually not perturbed. He took it in a manner that this happens. Shit happens on roads, and this is just one of that. While I was thinking that it's such an expensive vehicle, and what's going to happen now, and the police will get involved in all of that. So he spoke to the rental company, and the rental company told me that I could leave, I could proceed on to my business, and they will take care of it, the paint job and stuff, but whatever is needed, and they will send me a bill. I said, fair enough, it was my mistake, and I'm willing to do that. It's only later I got to know that in these parts, the conversations and the greetings before a conversations are usually long. When somebody meets you, they ask 4-5 questions about you, your family, health, and all of that. I realized that if that guy had not made me comfortable in the beginning, or because I was petrified, and I was sure that an argument or raising of voices or maybe a fist fight would follow. I'm just exaggerating, but none of that happened. And over the course of my stay here, I've seen that any such meetings here or any such get-togethers, they always start with greetings and asking about the well-being. Obviously, the transactions are going to take place. The difficult conversations are going to happen. But what if we create the conditions of amicability before such interactions? Then those transactions happen in a good space. And this is the power of manners, politeness, etiquette that is there inherent. When we make calls to people, we directly go to the point instead of asking about their health and stuff. Especially in the pandemic, it has shown that it makes us more human if we just ask those questions first. And the difficult transaction is going, or the conversation is going to take place, but it just makes us more human, and the relationships, they get better, they get stronger over time. And if we practice this as part of our persona, we are accepted and well received, and it just makes us for better living. So thanks for watching. Keep coming.